Hello everyone. Today we will solve a challenge on EcoCTF. The challenge name is called Head Office. Yeah, this one, Head Office. Let's open it. Yeah, the challenge name Head Office, and there are one flag and one service. If you solve this challenge, you will get 200 points. So the description says, "Welcome to Head Office." And then the detail says, "Head over to the head office and tell them to give you the flag." To start the challenge, connect to this. So I think we have to focus on the head method to retrieve the flag. So let's go. What it says. Yeah, welcome to the head office. Good morning. What can I get for you? Everybody knows how to get things, but not you guess other. But can you guess the other? So let's capture it via burp sweep. So then we can play with the methods. Yeah, let us enable my Foxy proxy. Yeah, to capture the request. My burp is already opened. Yeah, so let me refresh it. This one. Yeah, let's hit on the burp. Yeah, let us send it to the repeater to manipulate or change the methods. Yeah, here the method is get, so let us change it to the head 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 method. So let's send it. Yeah, we get it, the flag. Here it is. Yeah, or let us try it on the platform whether the flag is correct or not. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, around this one and submit. Yeah, we are correct. Got the flag head. If you get this one is interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.